Welcome to this Inno Plus presentation. This presentation is instruction on the installation of Polo and Porpoise built-in air scrubbers produced by Inno Plus. The build. The technical room. When placing the skid, place the skid or skids with the suction pipe end over the pit nearest the air scrubber. Connect the water pickup from the filter housing into the process water pit. Connect the pump output to the air scrubber pipework in the room through the wall. When building a Euro, install and connect the radar level sensor. The sensor will need to be set by a technician during commissioning. The pin will be a standard length. Install float switches to hang into the process water pit. The minimum float must hang 5 cm above the end of the pickup pipe, falling down to open, as shown in the photograph. The maximum float must hang 5 cm below the skid. This is lifting to open, 180 degrees opposed to the other. When installing global, the float switch bank is to hang into the process water pit. Connect the main power supply in the control panel. This may require an electrician. Remember to connect the earth. In the Euro, this is connected at X1. Pressure difference. A terminal box is placed before the package in the pressure chamber and a second in the technical room. These are connected with 10 mm air hose to the control panel. In the terminal box, insert the hose through an M20 cable gland. Run the hose in a 180 degree hook shape and terminate by cutting at 45 degrees. This will ensure any condensation runs to the tip and drips off safely. Ensure the box is open with another M20 cable gland. Remove the rubber from the second cable gland. Connect to the panel as such. Connect the 32 mm water supply. This must be a minimum of 30 litres per minute at 2 bar. Connect 63 mm or 32 mm wastewater connection. Anything over 10 meters long, you will need to increase to 63 mm or 75 mm. The maximum height wastewater can travel is 8 meters. PLC internet logging. Connect internet to the data logger on port X2. On the Euro, Moxa internet logging is connected. Connect internet to the data logger modem in the control panel. This requires a DHCP connection. Mount the red alarm lamp in a position that is well seen. This can be selected in consultation with the client. 12 meters of pipe and cable are included to connect this. For further support, please contact us.